You know what? The energy is hindi siya heavy, pero parang nagiging emotional ako. Pero yung positive na emotional, okey? Lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo kung ano yung energy na nararamdaman ko, ibig sabihin yun yung energy mo, okey? Puwedeng energy mo ngayon, energy mo na tatapakan or you're gonna step in, but yeah, I'm getting emotional. Yung parang gusto kong umiyak. Wow, that's pretty intense. Let's see what's happening. I just heard you are special. Yes, you are special. Okay. Wow. No wonder kung bakit simula pa lang 'no, I feel that kind of, very emotional, parang gusto kong maiyak. Gusto ko rito na parang, maiyak sa sobrang tuwa 'no, sa sobrang saya 'no, because that is your energy na tatapakan mo. Wow! So, I do see you right here 'no, let me just get straight to the point. I'm seeing you in my vision right now. You will be in a totally different environment. You will be into a kind of place 'no, like hindi ka pa dun nakarating, hindi ka pa dun nakapunta 'no. Nakita ko rito that you will have that kind of life, you will live in a very unfamiliar place, pero this is something here that's your new beginning 'no. And Kuriko, Hembokeyo, eh, ibig sabihin nakikita ko kayo masayang-masaya doon. Wow! Wow! I love it. Bottom of the deck, let's see. Chariot energy, Three of Wands, and the Ace of Wands energy. Wow. You deserve this, sweetheart. You deserve this. So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung di pa alam, meron pa tayong other channel link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga na tayong gender dito mga mahal, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody ay welcome. Puwede rin pong i-switch ang mga rules dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat po ay may free will. Like if you wanna claim the messages at gawin itong guidance or not, it's up to you. So yun nga mga babes, wala rin po tayo ditong time period but I'm gonna tell you that this is something here na mangyayari sa inyong future, sa inyong immediate future for a lot of you. I'm seeing you right here living in a different environment, okay? Somewhere far away from the old, okay, na buhay ninyo 'no, yung literal kung ano yung tirahan ninyo ngayon 'no, hindi yan yung tirahan ninyo, okey, dito sa future na nakikita ko for you guys. Dito sa immediate future, dito sa near future na ito, you will be in a totally different place. You will be in a totally different environment, and nakikita kitang sobrang masayang masaya. Oh. Queen of Cups energy, Eight of coins right in here, no? You've been putting all the work all your life, okay? Kahit sa relationship, ikaw yung lagi rito na nag-aayos, nag-aasikaso, ikaw yung lahat, no? Na gumagawa, kumikilos, kahit sa family mo rito, Four of Wands energy, no? You always watch out for your friends, look after your family, no, providing everything na pangangailangan rito ng mga taong minamahal mo, kahit yung mga friends mo, no, you are always there for them, no. Alam mo, kung titingnan nga lang kita, nakakapagod eh. Masyado kang busy sa life mo, no. You are someone here, no, na you always concern for your loved ones. You are someone here who always looks after them. Okay? You takes care of them, no? Kahit yung hindi mo talaga as in family by blood, no? Kahit yung mga friends mo since high school, since college, since elementary, since childhood, no? Okay? Kahit na, no? Kung sino pa ito ng mga tao na loved ones mo na lumalabas dito na close sa yung life. Okay? You always make sure that you are always there for them. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag may problema sila, lagi kang nandyan. Tumutulong, sumusuporta, kahit nga mapapinansyal. So, nakita natin dito that you are someone here, no, na parang hindi lang yung life mo yung pinagpupukusan mo, kundi mas pinagpukusan mo pa nga dito yung buhay ng family mo, inasikaso mo rito yung kapatid mo, magulang mo, kahit mga kaibigan mo, 'pag may problema sila rito kahit sa love life, nagbibigay ka rito ng matinong advice, 'no? You are always acting as their support. Look at this 2. 'Di ba? Two pair of poles right here, 'no? Yan ang nakikita natin ditong mga paa ng mesa. Ibig sabihin, you are their support, you are someone here, 'no, na nagbabalanse ng sitwasyon ng mga tao sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. And also nakita natin dito, 'no, na hindi ka napapagod kahit na nakakapagod ito for other people, okay? So, nakita natin dito na ikaw lang yung may kayang gumawa niyan kasi hindi naman yan nagagawa rito ng mga tao sa paligid mo because they are not like you. Kasi nga, 'di ba, bawat tao ay iba-iba. Bawat thinking, bawat mindset, iba-iba. So, iba ka, 'no? You are very nurturing to the point na to the highest level, 'no? Like, not every human being ay tinataglay yung ganyang klase ng concern. Yung iba pinapabayaan na, "Eh, bahala ka na diyan sa buhay mo. Wala akong pakialam sa'yo." You know? Yung iba gano'n, pero ikaw, "O sige, ano bang kailangan mong tulong? Sige, magkano ba 'yan?" 'Yan, 'no? "Sige, ganito." 'Yan. So, ikaw yung gumagawa rito ng solusyon, tinutulungan mo rito yung mga kaibigan mo, yung pamilya mo, you provide everything that they need, 'no? So, nakita natin dito that you are someone here, malaki yung heart mo, you are very kind-hearted, you are a very warm person, and I do see that this is you. Lahat yan hindi mo hinihingan ng kapalit, okay? Kahit yung mga nanghihiram sa'yo dito, naka-close mo dito ng pera, alam mo wala silang pambayad, carry lang, go lang, yan, 'no? You are someone who's very generous, yet you do not ask for anything in return. Kung hindi makapagbigay, kung hindi makapagbalik ito sa inyo, okay lang. Hindi mo rin ine-expect na, "Sige, gagawin ko 'to kahit walang bayad kasi si universe naman yung wala ring gano'n sa mindset niyo. Okay? Universe right here, 'no, is naa-amaze rito sa inyo, sweethearts, 'no. That's why the universe right here, isa ka sa napaka piling-pili na mga bibigyan nila ng ganitong klase ng hinaharap or future, 'no. Isa ka sa uulitin ko lang, piling-pili, 'no. Ibig sabihin, 'no, ikaw ay isa sa mga chosen ones na ma-experience itong ganitong klase ng life. no? And this is something here that you will not wait any longer because we're talking about your immediate future, your near future, no? Ibig sabihin, ito ay nalalapit na. No? This is something here that's gonna come in fast. The chariot energy, I'm seeing you traveling in a different pathway, ibang direksyon ito. So if you feel like na diyang tinitirahan mo, diyan ka na talaga titira forever and ever na. Because I do see you living in a different place. It's a faraway place, somewhat unfamiliar sa inyo, and you cannot really imagine, no, na titira ka sa ganitong klase ng environment, sa ganitong klase ng bahay, sa ganitong klase ng buhay. Yes, bahay iba, buhay iba, but definitely, I'm seeing you very contented, very happy. Napaka-stable ng energy mo. Yan. So, yung iba, marami sa inyo, okay, nakikita ko, no, na sa pagdating ng taong ito, Knight of Pentacles energy, diyan magsisimula yung bagong bahay, bagong buhay mo. Yan. Someone like a new beginning, a new place. Okay, we're seeing a lot of butterflies right here. Could be seeing a lot of butterflies as well. Okay, that might be one of the biggest signs. So watch out there. And also, I do see you guys right in here that you will be so amazed. Like this is something here shocking for you, something surprising to you, because this is something here that you probably do not see coming. Look at that. Someone here is approaching you, but you're facing here. You're busy taking care of your loved ones, your family, your friends, your sister, even your kamag-anak right in here. Kailangan nila ng tulong kaliwat kanan, lahat-lahat na. Okay? Wala ka na nga dito masyadong na-focus sa life mo eh. Okay? Parang 75% of your life dedicated na with these people, no? With these loved ones of yours, okay? So, nakita natin dito, universe right here, kung ano naman yung bibigyan rito ng opportunity. Ikaw naman rito yung aasikasuhin, ikaw naman dito yung aalagaan, ikaw naman dito yung makaka-experience ng mga ganitong klase ng bagay na merong susuporta sa'yo, everything, a lot of celebration, a lot of offers right here coming in your life, and you will be blessed, okay? Ang energy dito is may darating dito na someone new. This person here is not literally na, oh, alam ko na yan, miss yan, sasabihin mo kasi mayaman yan, ganyan, no? Hindi lahat, huwag kayong ano. Basta meron ditong man na makikilala ka rito, okay? But definitely this man has this lots of success sa kanyang energy. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng makilala mo siya ng hindi pa siya mayaman, pero sabay kayong aangat. Okay, sabay kayong magiging team payaman. Yun nakita natin dito. This person here is nagtataglay ng positive mindset. This person here is someone who's mature yet pwedeng siya rito ay younger than you sa age. But you know, just take only what resonates. But maybe this person here same age with you guys but younger looking. Okay? So aside from that, I do see that with this bird right here na sa yung hand, this is the message of the universe that you probably hindi mo pa napapakinggan. Okay? Pero matagal na yan na parang nakaka-receive ka ng mga signs pero hindi mo alam na yun na yung mga signs na yun. Okay? Because you're too focused right here, no, sa iyo ritong own life, dealing with your loved ones. You are putting them as your top priorities. Yun nakita natin dito, no? So, nakita natin dito that you will definitely enter this new phase, this new life, this new environment, this new bahay, this new buhay right here. Three of Wands energy are coming in pretty faster. Everything right here will move quickly, faster than it is, no? Nitong mga nakaraang buwan. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, no, mas bibilis yung pag-move faster ng energies para makarating ka na dun. Okay? Wala kang kailangang gawin. Ano, minsan lilipad ba ako dyan? Liligpit ko na ba yung gamit ko? Lagi ko na ba sa maleta? Hindi yun ganun. Ibig sabihin, there's this shift sa iyong energy and let the universe do its way for you guys, no? Ang pinaka nakikita ko dito may darating, okay? Yun yung antabayanan mo, okay? At diyan magsisimula ng bumilis ang lahat. Yan. Knight of Coins energy. So definitely, this is a very, very exciting life for you guys. This new buhay, this new bahay right here, no? And yung mga family friends mo, genuine friends, nakikita ko pa rin na makakasama mo pa rin sila dyan. Pero, madadagdagan ka na rito, no, ng blended family because this person, meron din siya ritong sariling family, may mga sarili rin siyang friends. So, magiging dagdag yun sa mga tao rito, no, na magiging supporters mo or susuporta rito sa lahat ng gusto mo ritong gawin. Wow! So I do see that whoever it is that we're talking right here, you really do not see this coming because you're busy here taking care of your loved ones, doing your own thing, minding your own business, doing a lot of efforts right here, no? Not really thinking about love or you want love, but love is not your top priority, but this is it, diba? And I also see that whoever I'm picking up for today, this is something here, no, na hindi talaga para sa lahat. So, if you're still with me, like, eto, na kanina pa ako dumadaldal dito, tinapos mo talaga tong video na to, then highly, this reading, these messages are really for you. Kaya naman, advance congratulations dito, sweetheart. I am seeing right here, I do see right here that there's a great shift sa yung energy and kahit ikaw magiging mabilis kasi ito, fast face kasi ito, kaya parang kahit ikaw magugulat ka na parang bigla ka na lang ditong gumising, no? You're in a different environment na, you're in a different home na, and then, wow, 'di ba? So, you will definitely witness this right before your eyes. So, yeah, mga babes, na let's see. Meron tayo dito mga initials, pero tatlo lang. Gayunpaman, I do see, no, na just take only what resonates, okay? But, marami yung nakikita natin dito, no, na makaka-receive nito. Okay? So, if you're still here, then this message is for you. So for the initials, yes, we have here letter A. We also have here the letter C, and we have here the letter L. So yeah, these are all the messages for you guys. Thank you again. I'm Yuriana Ani, Sarang Hey, Love and Light. Annyeong.